let's create your booking process with Stripe. So what we're going to do is, on your sales page, you've got some Book Now buttons. If it's, for example, paying a deposit or paying the full amount. These buttons need to link to a Stripe payment link. So let's go ahead into your Stripe account. Once you've created that, head over to Payments, Payment Links, and we're going to create a new payment link, and we need to create one for each of the buttons. Click on Payment Link, and we'll need to create a new product, and the new product in this particular instance would be the deposit. Click on Add New Product, give it a name, Life, Purpose and Joy Retreat Deposit. You choose your currency, so matches what you have on your sales page, add the amount, and it's a one-time occasion. And then you can upload an image that represents your retreat. And they will see that on the checkout page. It's just a nice touch that they can tangibly see what they are purchasing. And then click on Add Product. It will ask you to confirm your password. And on the right-hand side, you will see the example, the preview of your checkout page. And you'll see there's the title, the amount, and the choices of payment options. You can pay with card or with Google Pay. Then we can also collect customer addresses. If you need that for your accounting purposes, you can click on Collect Customer Addresses and it will add it here into the preview. If you require them to add a phone number, you can enable that as well. And also, if you would like that it issues a tax invoice for businesses, you can allow that there. Lastly, change the call to action to book. And you can preview on desktop and in mobile. Okay. Once somebody has made the payment, we would like them to be redirected to the booking confirmation page, which we have already created. If you haven't seen that tech tutorial yet, I recommend you start at that point. It is the one about how to create a booking confirmation page. Do that first and then come back to setting up your payment links. Because in the After Payment tab, you can say Show Confirmation Page, which is inherent in Stripe, which will look like this, thanks for your payment. But for tracking purposes, for your measurement purposes, it's more useful if you can redirect the customers to your website. So you would select this option, and now you're going to copy and paste the URL of your booking confirmation in this field. So let's go back to your website and get that URL. Go back to the dashboard, go to your pages, and here's the booking confirmation page. You can go to Quick Edit, and that is your slug, basically your URL, be it retreatspain.com, then / booking-confirmation. You can then copy and paste that, but you'll need the full URL. So the other option is to click on View, and at the top here you can copy the whole URL and then go ahead and paste it in Stripe, and then click Create Link. This URL over here is what you're going to add to your button on your sales page. So we're going to click on Copy, go back to your sales page and hover over your button and add the link here. Click on Save Changes and then Publish. We're going to do the exact same thing with this other payment option. We have to create a new payment link for the pay in full option. So let's do that together. Go back to the payment links, create new, add a new product, life purpose, full, and then you make sure you change the currency, add the amount, upload your image, and click on add product. Make sure you collect the addresses and telephone number and let them provide tax IDs if necessary. Click on book. And last option would be after the payment to redirect to your website, to your booking confirmation page, and you can use the same booking confirmation. Create link. Copy the link and go back to your sales page and add the link to your button. And save. So now if I exit the builder and I test it, I click on book now, it will open the Stripe checkout page with what it is, the deposit. The image would appear underneath here. They can pay with card and they can book. And if I were to do the other option, pay in full, and then that comes up as well. And there you go. That's a really simple booking process with a checkout link with Stripe, and you don't have to pay any commission to any agents. This will just be, you'll charge about 2.9% per transaction by Stripe, which is very similar to PayPal as well. I just find Stripe much more user-friendly and aesthetically much more beautiful and modern.